Can you shut your dirty ass up?
Yo, my little nigga.
Girl, I'd be lying if I said that I don't miss you still. Told me apart and now I double down on popping pills.
I don't think a dog acts retarded.
Oh fuck no, bitch, you ugly as shit.
Yo, I didn't say that. Don't get on me.
Especially the one on the right.
That is wild. That is.
You should not be friends with her. She's white.
I'm not white.
Then you're definitely Mexican.
No, close. You're getting closer.
Hispanic.
In that, yeah, like in that region.
Region.
She's from an island.
Do you like Takis?
Yeah, she likes spicy food.
No wonder why she's so fucking fast. Where the fuck are y'all at? Why is that place wood?
And where the fuck is you?
Okay, but you're in a car. That's technically driving. Okay, but she can still look at the phone, retard.
God damn.
Why did it jiggle?
that shit got recoil to it when it got out the car.
Y'all are nasty.
Who you on the phone with, right? Y'all on monkey.
Yo, daddy.
You,
I didn't even say nothing. What the fuck?
your teeth big as hell. Your
Bro,
shirt
I know this
big
fucking
as
mantis not coming near me, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, long face ass girl. Stop talking like that, bitch ass nigga. Nah, bro,